Let me just ask you a quick IPO question. This is a week where we've been talking a lot about, did the IPO fundraisers leave money on the table? Did the public not get a chance to get, back and forth and so on? Do you have any qualms about the IPO process, or are you pretty happy with what you guys have been through?
I'm pretty happy with what we went through. We were able to go out and, quite frankly, monetize the company for our team members and let other people share in the opportunity that we see for Academy.
And you've been up about 35% since that IPO, as we've said. So obviously your digital sales nearly doubled in the quarter. For a brick and mortar play, you guys are pretty well positioned given that you have both businesses and are in the outdoor segment that's so hot right now. I don't know if you saw these comments by the CEO of RH this week, where he kind of slammed the experience of most big box retailers and said that too many companies were pushing customers into their digital model without a thought about how that's going to affect their business in the long run. What's your response to that?
We really are an omni-channel retailer in that many of the things that we have really are experiential. You want to see how a treadmill works, or you want to pick up a baseball bat. So we've connected that with our .com site, and half of our .com sales are pickup in store. So we have a lot of customers who will order online but come into the store to actually pick up the product, partially because it's difficult to ship a kayak. So we have a lot of people who will do that. Over 95% of our sales online are either pickup in store 95% of our total sales are either from the store, pick up in store, or ship from store. So the stores are very integral in our online business, and we've really worked to connect it. So I don't think we're forcing the customer one way or the other. We're letting the customer pick how they want to shop.
Yeah. Ken, I want to ask you about price. You're in a kind of discount space right now where that price point is really important, keeping it low. And we're seeing a lot of inflation because of supply costs and shortages and that sort of thing. Are you concerned that these price points are going to move up, especially at a time when customers might be sensitive as the pandemic drags on?
We've always been a value retailer. That's what we're known for. And we work very hard to maintain the best prices, and we compete with the discounters, and we compete with online. And for the most part, our prices remain competitive. And as I say, we work hard to do that.
Ken, it's Tyler here. I wonder why the sporting goods segment has been a hard one for so many chains. You think back to Sports Authority, I think in this market to Modell's, both are just gone. What's the difference between being a success in this area and not being able to make it?
I truly think it's the experience that you offer the customers. And if you look at it, one of the things that you see over time is sporting goods or sports and outdoor stores over time have evolved to just being sporting goods and apparel. And that's when they go wrong. That's why it's so important for us to offer that assortment and have that outdoor segment of our business with the sporting goods, because we serve the whole family. We serve a broader segment. But you think about the ones that have failed, they've moved over, and they were primarily apparel stores. And that's not what the customer wants when they think about sports and outdoors.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.